Hey everybody, this is Wendy. Welcome. Super excited you're here today because I have an amazing offer. I have the March 2018 class to go ready and available for pre-order. So excited because every month it seems like we end up running out of our class to goes. And so this month we are taking pre-orders. So you can go to my website at loveandstampin.com to place your pre-order. And the link to that is in the description below this video. But this is what we're going to be making. So you saw the three cards on the picture at the beginning. You're going to get 2 kits of each of those. And you get your choice here of a Good Day stamp set or Sweet Little Something for $7. How amazing is that? So our class to go is usually 25 bucks. So for $32, including shipping, you can get a stamp set. So basically you're paying $7 for a stamp set. The kits include all 3 of the cards that you saw in the picture, but you get to make 2 of each of those. So 6 cards total, the envelopes, and then 2 of the acetate boxes and all of the little cute stuff that goes around those. So yeah, it includes a bunch of stuff. So here you can see this is the little box. And it will hold 3 of your cards with 3 of your envelopes. And I've used the new Celebration embossing folder on that, and it will come embossed. And then this one is the card that I created. And then my friend Katina created the 2 cards that have the cross on the front. And then they will all just fit inside the box. So you could do 3 cards and 1 box as one gift, and 3 cards and 1 box as another gift. So in total, you'll end up with 6 cards. 6 card kits and 2 boxes. Now all the pieces come punched and ready for you to assemble, but you do have to have the ink and you do have to have the stamp sets because unfortunately we can't stamp the stuff for you ahead of time. That's something you have to do yourself. So I highly recommend purchasing the class to go kit with the stamp set add-on. Now we have 3 options available. Option number 1 is $20 and you can just get the exclusive videos, and that is totally fine. If you don't really want the card kits and you don't want the stamp set, you can pay 20 bucks and get the videos. And that will be 2 videos, but it has 4 projects total. If you want to get just the card kits and the videos, you can pay $25. So that again includes shipping. And these are all pre-order, so you have to do this by March 14th in order to get this stuff, okay? The third option is to get the videos, the card kits, and the stamp set for $32, including shipping. So you're literally paying $7 extra for a stamp set if you decide to get that. And you get to choose which stamp set you want. You can either get the Sweet Little Something stamp set, which makes this cute little bunny, or you can get the Hold On to Hope stamp set, which has all the crosses and beautiful sentiments as well. So check out both of those stamp sets. They are over on my website. Check everything else out over on my website at loveandstampin.com. Here's a couple of other videos for you to watch if you're interested, and you can click on the little circle with my face in it to subscribe to my channel. I really hope you take advantage of our pre-order. Remember, it ends March 14th, so you have to pre-order by March 14th. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.